Lateral system, buoys and beacons. The buoys and beacons are navigational aids installed by the Coast Guard to guide boaters or to warn them of the presence of dangers or obstacles. They help determine your position on the water and can help you find the best route to your chosen destination. To fully understand the lateral buoy system that indicate the port and starboard sides of a channel, we must first understand upstream and downstream on a body of water. Upstream is where the flow of water comes from, the source. At the opposite end, we find the downstream, which is the side towards which the waterway is going, in the direction of the current. So when you navigate from the sea to the rivers and streams, you are going upstream. The buoys placed to your right will be starboard hand buoys, and they will be red, while the buoys placed to your left will be port hand buoys, and they will be green. The starboard hand buoy marks the right side of a channel when heading upstream. It's painted red, has a cone-shaped top, and can be found in three forms: pillar, none, or spar. If there is a light, it is red. They are identified with even numbers. The starboard hand buoy can also indicate the location of hazards, such as rocks or shoals, which should be kept to starboard. The port hand buoy indicates the left side of a channel when heading upstream. It is green, the top is flat, and it can also be found in three forms: pillar, can, or spar. If there is a light, it is green. They are identified with odd numbers. The port hand buoy can also indicate the location of hazards, such as rocks or shoals, which should be kept to the left. Arriving at a junction in a channel, we encounter a bifurcation buoy. This can be left on either side. The buoy has a wide red or green band. The color of the upper band indicates the main or preferred channel. Here, as the upper band is red, it is a starboard bifurcation buoy. It indicates that the main channel is to port and the secondary channel is to starboard. Conversely, if the upper band had been green, it would have been a port bifurcation buoy. The main channel would be on the starboard side and the secondary channel on the port side. In addition to the lateral buoys, we can cross beacons when navigating a channel. Unlike a buoy which is anchored, a beacon is an aid to navigation which is fixed. In Canada, the port and starboard day beacons have the same role as a port or starboard hand buoy. The port day beacon has a black or green square centered on a white background with a green reflective border. It should be kept to your left when heading upstream. The starboard day beacon has a red triangle centered on a white background with a red reflective border. It should be kept to your right when heading upstream. If you are sailing in the United States, the port day beacon is a green square, with an odd number inside a lighter green square, while the starboard day beacon is a red triangle with an even number written within a paler red triangle.